This second tutorial will show you how to perform an ROI analysis from the Marsbar built-in GUI, and what you need to do this analysis is basically have have MATLAB on your computer, have SPM on your computer, and have Marsbar installed on your computer as well. And also, to make sure that the analysis will work, you have to have your second level analysis folder on your computer and the first level analysis. It's very important that the second level analysis refer to first level analysis folders that are actually on your computer in the correct location, because this will allow you to do the analysis. So otherwise Marsbar will give you error, because what Marsbar does is just go on your second level analysis, look for the first level analysis file, and take the parameter estimates from the region of interest from the beta value you have saved there. So that's important that these folders are correctly stored on your computer. That said, you want to go on SPM on the SPM folder, toolbox, Marsbar, and you will add what is like oh, I already put in the path, but basically if you go with your right key of the mouse, you will have add to the path you want to add, select folders and subfolder on the path. I already done, that's why it asked me to remove them. So when Marsbar is on your path, you type Marsbar on the command window. I made a typo. I had a typo. So MATLAB is smart and ask me, do I mean Marsbar? Yes, I mean Marsbar. So it open the GUI, and what we do as first step is just to set the sign from file. So so go to set, go to the sign, and then from the so I'll redo it again. The sign, set the sign from file. Open we open the basically we open the second level analysis file that I want to analyze. What I'm going to analyze today is the Tower of London experiment, in which I already had my second level analysis on my computer. This is a design where we have two conditions, Tower of London condition and a control condition, and two groups, a group of hearing individuals and a group of deaf individuals. Once we get our nice matrix on Marsbar, we go on data and we go on extract ROI data, full option. Press it, and here the navigation window will ask us to select the region of interest where we want to select the data from, and so I have my region of interest in this folder, project student, my ROI, and I have the ROI. So in as I upload them, I will recommend you to take note of the order, or just take a screenshot. In this way you will know which column of data correspond to which ROI, because then MATLAB will not have a label for them. Now Marsbar asks if we want to use SPM design. We say yes, and where we want to extract the image from, because I told you we have our first level analysis, a second level analysis on our computer. I'm going to extract the image from the SPM design, and I really recommend you to do so, because if you do manually, you're very likely to make mistakes. So it's just nice do more like nice and clean to do that automatically. Image, so scaling image from raw data. Here put 0, and Marsbar will start to work, and here you have the list of the ROI, and it already extracted the data. So now what we have to do is to estimate the results. So go to results, estimate results. Again, Marsbar do some work, and you will see that is the graphic window will change. Once you have estimated them, you want to save them to a file, and in my case I am going to save them in my folder, like my analysis. Of course, put wherever you prefer in your computer, and I call it Tower of London, and I save it. Now if I go to my project students, my analysis folder, and upload this folder, I click on SPM, Marcy, and Y. These are the data. So basically these are the data I extracted from the ROI, and each column corresponds to one ROI. So the first column will be their left dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, the second will be the left frontal eye field, and so on. Of course, remember always to take note of the order you include them, because here you don't have any headings on this matrix. Each row is a participant data point, and on SPM now I'm going to show you how to make sure to know what you are like, what every row corresponds. So I'll open SPM, give it some time. Results, I go to MATLAB, I go to the Tower of London SPM file, I upload it. Doesn't really matter what I select here for now to do what I want to do. What I want to do is just to go to design, explore files and factors, and basically here you have the list of the files that we have included in our analysis. So for each row you have in the matrix you extracted from Marsbar, you have a row here, and corresponding to one participant beta value, that like one participant beta or contrast value you extracted the data from. So in this way you can always know what row correspond to what. And this pretty much it. Once you get your matrix, you can just copy and paste on an Excel spreadsheet, name the variable, name each row with your participant name, and just run the annual test on SPSS or JASP or whatever program you like.